What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Paul, and for today's video we've got a very special one planned because in 2025 Maison Margiela as well as Salomon treated us to one of the best sneaker collabs of the year. Today in studio we have the newest iteration of that aforementioned collaboration, and as we do from week to week, we're gonna unbox them, we're gonna review them, and of course we are going to style them featuring some garments from our website. As always, I will be providing a link to all of the items featured in today's video in the description below for your viewing pleasure, though we do encourage you to check out the entire website as we do have a vast catalog featuring a ton of different aesthetics for just about anybody's style. Now, if you do enjoy this style of video where we bring in the sneakers that you want to see, please be sure to go ahead and like today's video and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Not only will that encourage us to keep this style of content coming, but additionally, it'll help us find more kind people like yourself here on YouTube. And now with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into it. These are what are known as the Salomon XT-mm6. The XT series from Salomon is commonly known as the go-to sneaker for hiking and trails. These are the XT-mm6 from Margiela and Salomon. It is presented in a special white box featuring design details from both collaborators. With that said, nothing too crazy about the presentation outside of the fact it does come wrapped in some tissue paper. Now, as you can see, I did like to go for the triple black colorway, otherwise known as very black, because a sneaker like this is extremely versatile. Now, a little bit about this model. The Salomon XT series is commonly known for being the go-to hiking shoe. It is for that reason that the standard model, the XT6, does feature the quick lacing system, a narrow silhouette, as well as nubs that are comprised of an extremely dense rubber for the outsole. For this very special designer collaboration, Maison Margiela took this highly versatile and capable rugged sneaker and made it ready for everyday use. That does begin with changing the shape of the toe box. As you can see, this brand new toe box is quite a bit wider, which is something I do appreciate as it does allow for a little bit more comfort. Next, they did away with the super fast lacing system and replaced them with traditional laces, which is actually quite nice and harkens back to a daily sneaker, something that you and myself are much more familiar with. And of course, finally for the outsole, those super dense rugged nubs are now replaced with an all new traction pattern that is completely flat. This in and of itself has done a world of wonders to the shoe because it is so much more comfortable to wear as a daily driver type of sneaker. So big ups to Maison Margiela on that. Aside from that, you do have Maison Margiela branding as well as a pretty distinctive change to the Salomon placement here on the sidewall. With that said, the composition of the upper does stay pretty untouched as it is comprised of a really nice engineered mesh that is extremely breathable, and they finished it with a protective coating that does add a nice level of structure and stability. Overall, I do find the sneaker to be much more wearable on a daily basis, simply due to the fact that it is much more comfortable. That said, it isn't without trade-offs because of course you do lose the element of ruggedness that you get from the standard XT6 as compared to these XT-mm6s. Now, as it pertains to sizing, a general rule of thumb for the standard XT6 was to size a half size up for those wide footers out there. But what I do find is due to the fact that they did allow for a little bit more room in the toe box, you can simply go true to size and they will fit great. That's what I did, and they fit excellent. Speaking of fits, I find that to be the perfect segue to styling these with some outfits featuring garments from the website. To start things out, I threw on the blocked flannel hoodie, which is cut to fit relaxed, wide, featuring a drop shoulder and a subtle crop. What makes this garment so unique is it is designed with a contrast flannel panel throughout, allowing for it to be a real statement. And it is for that reason, the fact that this one is so detail oriented and a bit on the louder side, I threw on a pair of black denim known as the G05 denim. These are cut to fit relaxed to the thigh, finishing down to the ankle with a relaxed straight cut. This allows for the proportions to be extremely complementary from the top to the bottom, as the denim does sit very, very nicely on the XT-mm6. Black for the sneakers, black for the denim, and a nice pop for the outerwear piece, which rounds off outfit number 1. Now for this second outfit, I reintroduced this formula, but in a different variety, opting for the camo zip up. It is comprised of a super dense, nicely washed, 100% brush French terry. What I love about this one is it does feature a super modern silhouette, being fairly relaxed and featuring a slight crop. Of course, the standout for this one is the fact that it does have the sublimation print of camo and is finished with an enzyme wash, creating a true vintage lived-in feel. I went ahead and paired that with the LWH relaxed baggy cargos, which fit very relaxed throughout and made from a vintage washed black twill. Unlike the previous pair, this one is a bit more on the baggy side, which does cover the sneaker slightly for an overall comfortable and effortless look. And for the third and final outfit, I went completely tonal with it, opting for a pair of black sweatpants and the newly reintroduced heavy basic hoodie, which is super nice quality as it is made from a 450 GSM brushed fleece fabric. It is cut to fit very proportionally sound, very relaxed through and through, and features subtle detailing such as the kangaroo pockets, cover stitching, rib hem, and self-line hood. But that concludes the styling portion and today's video. I'd be interested in hearing what you have to say about this latest release for Maison Margiela and Salomon, the XT-mm6. Do you plan on making this newly released sneaker a part of your rotation, or is it an easy skip for you? Be interested in hearing what the minimal community has to say in the comments below. And of course, if you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to go ahead and like today's video and sub to our channel with notifications on. On your way out, check out the links below to the garments featured today, and don't forget to check out some of our previous uploads around some of the garments and sneakers to release as of late. As always, I'd like to thank the minimal community so much for the continued support, and I'll see you again next week in the next upload for another Minimal Mondays.